it's me. I'm backlit. I should have thought about this before this video started, but I didn't. So maybe if I stay this way, it'll be fine. Welcome back to my channel. It's been 11 months. I do this. I make a video and then I disappear because in my mind, I'm like, well, no one watches, so who cares? But I care because every time I'm like, oh, I wish I had like a video or a picture to reference back to have a reference of, who knows. Anyways, so I just thought maybe if I don't take this so seriously, that it just, I don't know, my brain can't function right now. It's been a long day. Anyways, I wanted to show myself, you guys, what I have going on for the 2021 garden that's coming up. So I wanted to do this last year. I didn't. I wish I did because I have a lot of questions that I would like myself to answer back to myself. So hopefully I learned my lesson. Probably not, but we'll see. I wanted to show my tomato seedlings and then my pepper seedlings, and then I have a tulip bulb thing that I did that I thought would be cool. Let's start with the tulips because I don't know, whatever, doesn't matter. They're right here. So my aunt a few weeks ago brought us over a vase of tulips that she got from like Kroger or Walmart, and it was sitting in water. And she also brought one last year or it was like we've had a few of them, and they always look so pretty when they bloom. And so I thought, I've had bulbs sitting in the garage for a year now, so I know they've been chilled. I got them last year at Walmart. I planted some out. I had some leftover bulbs, so I thought if I stick them in soil inside of a planter, maybe they'll bloom by Nowruz or Eid, the Middle Eastern Iranian New Year. Because it would be really pretty to have that for like pictures and on the table along with the other stuff, along with that hyacinths, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I did that, so I'll show you guys. I did it in two planters. One is inside, one is still out here. And then I'll show you guys the tomatoes, and then hopefully maybe the peppers. I'm very worried about my peppers, but whatever, here we go. Okay. So here are, sorry, that's my camera strap. Here are the tulips. In this, oh my gosh, what is happening? In this crate, there's about 12 to 13 bulbs, and some of them are already coming up, which is exciting. So I'm hoping that they will bloom by mid-March, late March, I guess. And then I'll take you guys outside to show you my tomato seedlings. These are my tomatoes. All of them are tomatoes. Do I need this many? No. Does my family consume this many? Absolutely. Not even enough to preserve. Like, we just eat it fresh. And then I got some Brussels sprout seedlings from Knoxville because what happened was, I don't know. Well, that's unfortunate. A tomato just fell. I also did that the other day, so yeah. I'm all over the place. Whoa. What is happening? Why am I so bright? Let's go back to where I was. I live in Nashville. This is not sitting right. I live in Nashville, and this is crooked, so I apologize. And there was an ice storm here, and it was like 16 degrees Fahrenheit here. And then come a week later, it's like 70 degrees. So in my mind, those seedlings are like 3-4 weeks old. I'm like, I don't have enough space under my grow lights for all of those. Perfect. It's 70 degrees outside. Let me bring these out so they can get the light that they need. Completely forgetting that they haven't been hardened off, that they're still tiny, like they just have maybe 2-3 sets of true leaves, and they got completely sun scalded. They've been able to bounce back just fine, I think. but they did get sun scalded. And I'm hoping and praying that they make it through. But I'm really worried about my peppers because my peppers also got sun scalded. But peppers get stunted when it's not extremely warm or hot. And my garage, I brought everything in inside because, you know, it was going to be in the mid 30s. And the garage is always going to be like 5-7 degrees higher than the outside temp. So I thought my tomatoes are going to be fine. I got lazy, didn't bring my peppers up. So I'm wondering if my peppers got stunted or not. They still have plenty of time before they go outside because the longer you wait to put your peppers outside, the better they'll produce, because again, they enjoy really warm weather, which includes warm temperatures at night. So I'm thinking like maybe mid-May, late May, I'm gonna take those outside. They have plenty of time to grow. I'm starting to repot some of them, uppot them, and leaving them in there until they go out to the garden. I'm expanding the garden. Hopefully I'm adding flowers this year. So there's a lot happening, and I would really like to record all of it and have reference and documentation of it so that I can look back. If you enjoy things like that, maybe you want to subscribe, maybe you want to watch, come back to the channel, watch the videos, whatever. If you guys want, I can do what I'm growing this year, what I'm planning on growing this year in the garden, like a video like that. That's completely separate from this, obviously. Or leave ideas down below. Share what you're growing. If you want to grow, what you have grown, what's your favorite thing to grow, what's your least favorite thing to grow. My least favorite thing to grow is anything root vegetable related. It doesn't grow for me. I don't know why, it just doesn't. I've had one kale plant. That's it. And one because I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm not sure if it's my soil or the way I'm planting them. But the other thing is we have a lot of chipmunks and squirrels, and they like to dig and burrow. And so they do that a lot, specifically in my garden, which pisses me off, but whatever, I guess it is what it is. They don't do that in the summer and spring, only in the winter and fall, which I guess makes sense. Makes sense. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you hopefully next time if I'm not too lazy. Bye!